In this video, we will going to discuss about how to write a program to search for an item using binary search. So include stdio.h, include conio.h, so binary search. So we want to have a int key, so single dimensional array or one dimensional array, and the element int n. So first we are going to declare low, high and mid, all of integer. Low will be equal to 0, high is equal to n minus 1. While low is less than or equal to high. So how do I decide that? We can see here in this we have low, high and mid. So these are the three variables which we want to consider. So then we have key element, so int key. So all are of the integer type. So low will be equal to 0, high is equal to n minus 1. While low is less than or equal to high, so open the parenthesis, mid will be equal to low plus high by 2. So this is as per the formula. If key is equal to a mid, then return mid. If key is less than a mid, then high will be equal to mid minus 1. So the low value will going to remain the same. Low will not going to change. If key is greater than a mid, then low will be equal to mid plus 1 and high will not going to change. Once you get that, if it satisfies any one of these conditions, then it will going to return that. Then, so we are going to have the main function. So we are going to have CLR is here, that is clear screen, int, n, a, 20 and I. So int key and int position. So printf, enter the number of items. So read that item by using this scanf statement. Then printf input percentage d elements backslash n. For I is equal to 0, I is less than n and I plus plus. So scanf, so read those elements. Enter the elements to be searched. Read that key element which has to be searched. Position is equal to binary search key comma a comma n. So that means it will goes to the sub program here. That is the sub function. Once you satisfy this, then it executes. So if position is equal to minus 1, then printf item not found. If it is else, print found item found at position percentage d slash n position plus 1. So get ch. Why the position plus 1? Because it starts from 0. So obviously it should be position plus 1. Get ch function, then close the parenthesis. So output is enter number of items. We will going to have 5 input items, input 5 elements. So here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Enter elements to be searched. If it is 55, item is not found. Enter number of items, key 5 elements, input 5 elements. If you take 30, so what happens? Let's say for example. So here it will comes to this. So low will be equal to 0 and high will be equal to 4. Low plus 0 plus 4 by 2, which is equal to 2. So once it comes to 2, then if key, what is the position we are considering? The position of the key what we are considering is 30. So here 0, 1, 2. This is the two element. Key and the mid element is also 2. So what happens? So here it comes, if key is equal to a mid, is 30 is equal to a mid 30. So return mid value. So it will going to return the mid value. So then what happens? So once it will go into get, if position it is false now, because so since position is equal to minus 1, so item is, so the searching item or the key item what you want to search has been be able to get the particular key in the mid. Therefore item found at position, what is that? Position is equal to 0, position plus 1, so it will be, the position will be 3. So here in this case, here the item found at position 3. So here the 40, in this case 0, 1, 2, 3. So item found at position 3. So this is how you will be able to execute the program. So what are the advantages by using this? It is a simple technique, very efficient searching technique. But the disadvantage is the list of elements to be searched should be sorted. That means that is the reason why we are entering in an ascending order, or it can be in a descending order. But it should be in a regular pattern. Suppose if it is in the it is necessary to obtain the middle element, which is possible only if the elements have been sorted in the array. If it is a linked list, it is not possible to conduct the binary search. So this is how you will be able to use the binary search. Now we will going to execute, or we will going to write a code for this binary search, and how it will going to be executed we will see by using the C program. So to do that, so first we will go for the Turbo C++. Then we will write the program for binary search. So to do that, I will go to the new program. So here, first I will say include stdio.h, then include conio.h, then binary search, binary underscore search, int key, int a, then intn, then open the parenthesis, int low, high, mid. Then initialize low will be equal to 0 and high will be equal to n-1. While low is less than or equal to high, then open the parenthesis. So mid will be equal to low plus high by 2. Then if E equals a mid, then return mid. If key is less than a mid, I key is less than I mid, I mid, I is equal to mid minus 1. If key is greater than a mid, then low equals mid plus 1. Then close the parenthesis. So if satisfies any one of these conditions, then return will be equal to -1. Then close the parenthesis. Now we are going to write the main program. So main. So here CLR SCR clear screen. Then INT IN A20. Then INT key position. Then printf enter the number of elements /n scanf read that element, then printf input %d elements \n close the quotes n, then for I equals 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, open the parenthesis, scanf %d and a of I. So we're going to read all the elements. Once you do that, then printf enter the elements to search, element to be searched /n, then scanf %d and key element, whatever that element which you need to search. So position, so we have to search for this. I will go to position, say binary search. So we have key a comma n. Then if position equals -1, then you say printf /n item not found \n, else printf item found at position %d /n and then say position. Let us take position first. Then we will see what the thing which you can alter we are going to see at the later stage. So here give get ch function. So then close the parenthesis. Now we'll go for the run. So if key is equal to a mid, so here we have not given the sorry, this should be a mid and then close. So then write this, enter the number of elements 5, input 5 elements. So elements what you need to write is, so it should be in a sorted way. So that means I will going to take ascending order 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. Enter the elements to be searched. I will type 55. So item is not found because it is not there in the search. Then again I will go to the run the program. Again enter number of items. So I will take enter the input 5 elements. So I will say 10, then 20, then 30, 40, then 50. Then I want to search for the element 30 now. Let's go directly enter the item found at position 2. So why? Because so it is 0, 10 is 0, A0, 20 is A1 and 30 is A2. So the position is 2. But if I want that to be in this, so what we will do here, we will going to write position plus 1. So if you do that, then what happens? Automatically it will going to give you the value of what you want. So I'll go for the input 5 elements. I will say 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50, and then elements to be searched. If I say 30, so it says item found at position 3. So that means 10 is 1, 20 is 2, position is 30 is 3%. So similarly, if you want to run, I will say run. I will take 5. I will say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So here items to be searched 50, then it will be position 5. So this is how you will be able to execute this program by a binary search, wherein we will be able to enter the elements in a ascending order and then search for the key element. So once it search, it will take the positions of low mid, and low mid is equal to low plus I by 2. Then it will start checking for the condition in this. It will once it satisfies this condition till low is less than or equal to high. So in that condition, it will going to meet this particular value. Once you get to the loop, and once it satisfies the loop and it will comes out, then it comes to return -1, and then it will going to execute the program. So this is how this binary search will work in C program. Thank you. So we'll go to come out of this. So I will say no alter run, sorry. So I will take 5, take 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Now I'm going to take the value of 10. Item found at position 1. So I will say quit, save changes, no. And in the next program or in the next video, we will going to take up the bubble sort. Thank you.